Those who tell the stories rule the world. That was Plato. Never has a time for me in my life shown that this is true. If you've been paying attention to what's going on out there, it's currently the battle of the story and whose story is going to win in this complex time that we're living in. It remains to be seen. But if there's ever a time to learn storytelling, it's now. Because when you know the mechanics of storytelling, you can identify it when you see it coming your way. But more importantly, you can use it to shift perspective, to shape understanding, to influence through how you want to move in the world and who you want to do that with. The time to learn storytelling is now. That's why I'm running this 101 session. It's 90 minutes. It teaches you how to construct a main message. It teaches you a simple story structure that you reuse and reuse, and get an understanding of how to shape a story for multiple different stakeholders. Same story, different outcomes. So join me and the rest of the merry crew at the Future Skills Academy and learn Storytelling 101.